In this video, I'm going to show you what you might also need to do if you're running an older version of Word. And by older, I mean something in the region of 2007 or 2010, because they have a slightly different setup to the more modern 2013 and 2016 versions. So what I'm going to do here is I've put my one-click email marketing apps into Dropbox, and I'm just going to copy it across to my desktop. And then come back to my desktop, and then as always run as administrator. Now this is I'm running this on one of my virtual machines. This is what I'm using for testing, and it's Windows 7 32-bit and it's Word 2010, and you'll kind of get this process with 2007 also. And we go through the installation as per normal. It'll be a bit slower on this machine because, like I say, it's a virtual machine running on my main computer. And then I click on finish, and then Word 2010 will start up. Using this virtual machine just allows me to go back to the state before I enabled the macros. So as we can see here, macros have been disabled. Now if I click on that, I then get this warning and I can go to Trust Center settings. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on options, and I get this slightly different warning. And it's saying about the signature, warning macros are disabled because the digital signature is invalid. Well, that's kind of correct because we haven't installed it yet. We haven't told Word that this is a valid signature. Now, as you can see here, signature signed by Russell Crowley, expires in February next year. And here is the Thought SHA256 code signing certificate. So we click on show signature details, then we click on view certificate. And there you can see, and you can read all this, and you can see that it is actually legitimate. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to click on install certificate because we don't want to get this warning anymore. So then I click on next, and you can do automatically select, but I like to put place all certificates in the following store, and then I click on trusted publishers. Very, very easy. Then you click on next, and then you finish, and you get the import was successful. And that's what we need to do. And then I go through open the Trust Center, then I select macro settings, disable all macros except, and then I do trusted publishers, and then I click on trusted publishers, and then you can see the certificate is installed. And then we come across again to trusted locations. Now I'm going to select, as per the other videos, I'm going to select one-click email marketing, but on your machine it might not let you save here because of your desktop security settings. Again, this is a thing in older machines. So you might see up here where the file name is, you might see brackets read only. And if that's the case, it might not let you save there. So I'm now going to show you what you need to do. So I'm going to click as save as, and then I'm going to put it in my documents. And let's say I'm going to create a folder email marketing. I'm going to save the file in email marketing, and then I come back in. Sorry for the noise outside if you can hear that. Trust Center settings, and then I'm just going to select as a new location email marketing, and then I'll select subfolders because then I can create one folder for each email marketing project. And then I just close down the Word document, and then I go to open it again, and I say this machine is running slow because it's a virtual machine. And there we go, that's it running perfectly. Now I can just make sure that all's AR sequence, see spelling gone to rat, and then I'll just click to go. So I just want to make sure that it creates and saves. That's all I want to do at this stage. And there we go. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.